This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video. So today we're taking a look at this monitor. Everything comes very simple and easy to put together. You have your manual, your power supply, which is just a 2-prong power supply, an HDMI cable, and screws for mounting. And this is the monitor itself. So if we go ahead, you guys can see how thin this is. Like, this is a really thin monitor. It's pretty awesome. On the back here, you can peel off this if you'd like to. If we lift over here, you can see you have display port, HDMI port, USB port, AUX port. You have your buttons over here. Now with this, you just pop it in place. So you hold this and apply pressure, which just pops it right in place. It's just like that. And now for your stand, place this down in here, and there's a screw that you can then use, and you just screw it in from the bottom. And then you can adjust your monitor once you have it on. So we're going to go ahead and do that here. I think the easiest way of doing that is just putting the monitor upside down and doing it that way. So simple, guys. Now, you can adjust, as you can see here, the angle. Completely adjust it. So guys, please keep in mind that there are no speakers on this one, so you will need to have your own speakers. But the quality definitely looks nice. Easy setup. It doesn't take many watts, so as you guys can see, we're using a little power bank. So this would make a great monitor for camping off-grid, or use it for your house. Colors are nice with the monitor. I'm not sure how well it's going to show in person, but overall it's a nice standard monitor. Lightweight, thin, portable if you need it. Just keep in mind you will need your own speakers, as this does not have any built-in speaker.